pretty much show you how to use a simple VPN application here, like 8 Pro. Stay tuned. To pretty much the home screen of the application. Very, very easy to use, nothing hard for you to not understand. So at the top here, you may see select our automatic here. You can just tap on this option here. Pretty much go and select your server. But I do recommend that it stay on automatic because it will automatically pick the best server for you to use. So, or you can tap on the refresh icon at the top here. And once you've selected that, you pretty much will refresh the server list. And you can see the MS. The lowest MS is probably the best option for you to use. So once you've selected the server, or if you want to go with the automatic option, let's tap on start. It will ask for connection request. Let's tap on OK. And you will get connected in a low time. Very, very simple VPN. And the servers are quite fast. I'm not gonna lie, but it still needs some improvement and some more servers. But let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and I will see you in the next one.